Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. Today, I got a haircut. It was the first time I got a haircut where she washed my hair, she trimmed my split ends, and then she used her blow dryer to fix it all up. My hair is super thin, not thick. So I need volume. And after this haircut, I got to thinking. I felt a little weird, a little too sophisticated with my new hair. I normally never fix my hair. I don't even brush my hair most mornings. So you can't blame me for feeling a little weird when my hair looks so nice and well done. But I like it. I feel pretty. What about you? Do you like to get all fixed up and pretty for the day? And if not, why? I think sometimes I am just lazy. I'm too lazy to fix my hair and put makeup on, so I just don't do it. What's your excuse? Check out my Slow English podcast merch. Link in my bio. Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. This podcast is for advanced English listeners. Today, I want to talk about intelligence. Do you think intelligence is innate or learned? Innate means to be born with something. I think intelligence is learned. Anyone can be intelligent, but some skills are innate, depending on your physical characteristics or genetics. I think there are many types of intelligence. For example, verbal intelligence, mathematical intelligence, or social intelligence. I think I am verbally and socially intelligent because I am a good speaker and languages come easily to me. But I'm definitely not that mathematically intelligent. I have always struggled learning math. I work extra hard to understand mathematical subjects. What type of intelligence would you say you have? Are there any types of intelligence you need to work on? Comment below. Check out my YouTube channel for longer English podcasts. Check out my new merch, link in my bio. Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. Are you learning English with no one to practice with? I think I know what can help. Lingo Panda. It's an AI you can talk to anywhere. You can have real conversations to practice any time. You can order coffee, practice job interviews, or just chat casually, all in English. It feels real, but with no pressure. It feels like chatting with a real person, but available 24/7. With Lingo Panda, you can practice without fear. Try it out for free. The link is in my bio. Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. Today, I want to talk about an important topic, one that is truly changing our world: artificial intelligence. AI is everywhere, in our phones, in our homes, and even in the way we learn. For example, when we learn a new language, AI can be super helpful. With AI, you can practice speaking. You can have a real voice conversation, just like with a friend. This makes learning more fun and less stressful. So today, I would like to introduce a special guest to this podcast. Hello, Cece. Welcome to the show.
Hey there, Cece here, super excited to be part of your Slow English podcast.
Cece, can you help our listeners with language practice?
I can totally help your listeners with language learning. I can explain tricky grammar points, provide example sentences, and even create fun quizzes to test their knowledge.
That sounds amazing. Moreover, Cece can even recognize objects in your daily life. Plus, Cece is completely free. No ads, no limits. Go download Cece, your perfect speaking buddy. Hello. Welcome back to my Slow English podcast. Today, I will continue talking about dreams. I think dreams can mean many different things. I think dreams can show us signs that only our subconscious minds can pick up on. Dreams can be very helpful for us. They help us to get inspired and excited for new things, while showing us some scary or worrying dreams, they can help us to make changes in our lives to have the best and happiest life possible. I think, do you agree or disagree that dreams have meanings? Let me know your take on it. Some recurring dreams that I've had is when my teeth are falling out and I'm desperately trying to catch them, but I can't. Another recurring dream that I have is actually a really nice dream. It's my dreams where I'm flying. I really enjoy those. What are some of your recurring dreams? How do you interpret them? There are lots of different cultural beliefs that can be made out of dreams. I love hearing about them. This is one of my favorite topics to speak about with my students. So tell me about your cultural interpretations, maybe personal interpretations about dreams. Leave your thoughts down below. See you next time. Hello, welcome back to my Slow English podcast. This podcast is for intermediate English listeners. Today, I want to talk to you about my first trip alone. My first solo trip was when I was 18 years old. I booked a ticket to Tulum, Mexico. I remember being so nervous. My family was so nervous for me too. They all drove me to the airport, and I took my flight to Tulum. It was such a fun trip. I will remember that trip my whole life. It was the first trip where I felt I could do anything I wanted and go anywhere I wanted to go. I saw the stunning beaches in Tulum, the breathtaking cenotes or waterholes in Mexico, and I saw one of the 7 wonders of the world, the Chichen Itza. After making lots of friends and having lots of experiences, I decided to start planning my next trip. I started planning my trip to Costa Rica. I went to Costa Rica when I was 19 years old. I traveled to Tamarindo and took surf lessons, and I saw the most beautiful sunset I have ever seen. Then I went to volunteer at a hostel in Manuel Antonio. I volunteered at the hostel for 1 month. Full version tomorrow. Comment what your first trip was like. Where did you go? And why was it special?